Welcome to day 8 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. So far, we have been shining our sinks, dressing to shoes, saying kind words to ourselves each and every day, and we started picking out our clothes the night before. Today on day 8, we're going to do something new, and that is, remember those sticky notes that we wrote on day 3? We can now remove them because we're going to continue into building what will become our control journal. So take the sticky notes off or leave them on if they help you. Grab a sheet of paper or the printable and be sure to write your routines. In the morning, you're going to write dress to shoes. And in the morning or afternoon, we're going to write down a 2-minute hot spot. I super recommend doing it in the morning because you get it done right away. I would never ever recommend doing it in the evening because the day may get away from you unless you work outside the home. But even then, I would urge you to do it before work instead. You choose where you want it in the morning or afternoon, but be sure to write that down in your routines as well. And in the evening, you're going to write shine your sink and pick out your clothes. We're going to continue to add on to this list, and eventually it's going to become our control journal, so stay tuned for that. But if you haven't done so already, be sure to grab those freebies down below or the membership if you want to get those exclusive bonuses. I'll see you on day 9 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.